Hey natural babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for joining. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Now let's just get straight into the video. Today I'm showing you how to braid or plait your own hair. I already have a section out. Before you do anything else, you want to make sure that you detangle any hair that you're gonna plait or braid. Oh, round and around and around we go. You're gonna start with 3 sections, right? You want them to be as even as possible. 1, 2, 3. Your section feels a little small, just so 1, 2, and 3. The tighter you want the braid, the closer you go. The closer you start on the scalp. I'm gonna use my index finger and my thumb to grab the middle section, and then I'm gonna twist my hand inward like so. Then I'm gonna secure using my index finger and my thumb. I'm gonna grab that section that was at the end that's now in the middle, and I'm gonna twist. I'm gonna take index and thumb and grab this piece, and then I'm gonna do it again, and I pretty much just keep doing the same thing. I watched the clip and I noticed you couldn't see what I was doing while I was talking, so I've zoomed out, so I'm taking it from a wider angle. I've also added some gel because my hair fuzzes really easily. So I'm just gonna make 3 sections like before. You want to try to make your sections as even as possible. First thing you want to do, or what I like to do, I like to grab the section completely. Both end sections, I like to grab both end pieces like so. So they're secure, and I'm gonna use the middle section is still here. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna use my thumb and index to grab the middle section, and I'm gonna twist my hand inward like so. Now I'm gonna use index and thumb to grab the piece that's now in the middle, and I'm gonna twist. Using my thumb and index, I'm grabbing whatever is in the middle. That's what you're grabbing. Twist, grab, twist inward, grab with thumb and index, twist inward, grab with thumb and index, twist inward, grab with thumb and index. Whatever makes it to the middle, that's what you're grabbing. And you just keep going. Whatever is in the middle, you grab, twist, grab, twist. When I get to a point where I don't think I can go any further, I'm just gonna wrap the hair around itself using my index finger. You can add a little bit more product also, especially if you're doing like a braid out. You don't have to go all the way to the end. And that's pretty much it. Can you see that? I hope this is clear. This is what my finished braid looks like. Just gonna I hope this is clear. I hope you can see that.